everybody, thanks for watching. Just want to do this quick video. If you haven't seen my Instagram, been in the hospital over the last few months. I've been dealing with heart failure. So congestive heart failure. It's onset congestive heart failure. According to my doctors, it's just, it's a hereditary thing that gets passed down. And my dad recently passed from the same thing. And it's something that I didn't have any symptoms of before, but it just came out of nowhere. It just hit me. And for the past few months, it's just been dealing with what we thought was pneumonia. So it just was like, pneumonia and battling that. And anybody who's ever had it before, how it hits you to where, you're stagnant, like you can't move. But, I knew it was something else for me, because if I just try to brush my teeth, it was like I ran a marathon, just completely out of breath, and just try to take a short walk, and I'm sweating profusely. And it was just like, it wasn't so much of a crazy pain in my chest. It was just me being out of breath from doing the smallest things, and I just couldn't shake it. And I'm taking herbs, and I'm doing everything I think I need to do to fight it. But it's just, something like this, it requires, a lot more and a lot more understanding, when you're dealing with it. And, we as men, we don't like to go to the hospital, and we don't like to really battle anything that we feel like we can handle at home. So it was tough for me, except for, you try to go to sleep and you can't breathe. I mean, you keep waking up out of your sleep because you can't breathe. And I've never been through anything like that before. And I took myself to the hospital, that while ago. And it's just been, back and forth to where we get to this point. But I've been dealing with this for a few months. And, the good thing is it's treatable. And I know what I need to do, health-wise, to get this under control. And there's also holistic ways of getting around this, but it's tricky. It's tricky. So I just recently got out of the hospital, and I just wanted to do this video because I got so much love from you guys, and support, and messages and emails. Everybody just asking what's going on and wondering how am I doing and what have you. And I really appreciate it. So I feel like before I go and start fighting this thing, I owe it to you guys to just let you guys know what's going on and what's been happening, and that I will be back. I'll get back into putting everything out. I just want to get to a point to where now, I feel a lot better now. It was to the point where I couldn't talk. I couldn't get in front of the camera and do what I'm doing now without sweating and without being completely out of breath. I'm talking to the point where it's like you gasping for air. So another one of the reasons why I wanted to do this is because just talking to the doctors and what they've been seeing, and you got to understand this. Of course, I didn't take any corona shots, anything like that. You got to understand what's out here, what's in the air, and what they've been seeing, and what's coming into the hospital, what these doctors are dealing with, as far as people coming in with pneumonia and heart failure and all of these kinds of problems. The hospitals are so packed, and they're dealing with this stuff because a lot of people don't know what's going on and what's in the foods. And one of the things you got to really pay attention to is your family history. And if you got a history of heart failure or any type of disease dealing with the heart, the lungs, the kidneys, you need to be on it. More than ever, you need to be on your health, because as I alluded to in previous videos, this is that year. This is when they're trying to get rid of a lot of people. We know what's going on. They're expecting a lot of people to die this year, and a lot of people have already died. So I wanted to do this video to let you guys know, if you have this condition in your family, if you're experiencing any of those types of symptoms, go to the hospital, go to somebody who is a good herbalist, who knows how to heal holistically. Do something, change your eating habits is one of the biggest things I had to do. Change what you eat and what you're putting in your body, because this year, more than ever, they're targeting us. And there's a lot of people that's going to fall because of this stuff. Heart failure is crazy. I mean, and they do the surgery, and I had surgery, heart surgery. and go in there and make sure none of the arteries are clogged and everything like that. And it's different now. Technology has come a long way. They can actually go in through your vein. So if you when we read a pulse, you take somebody's pulse on their wrist, your pulse, that vein goes all the way to your heart. So now they have this microscopic little wire that can stick through your pulse vein all the way to your heart to do whatever surgery. Nanotechnology, I invest in this stuff. So it's a big deal. It's amazing. But the thing is, understanding what causes this and what's happening out there, and knowing, stay away from certain foods and stay away from certain things, and watch what you put in your body more than ever before, because there's a lot of people that's dying from this. I went in that room, and that's a scary fucking room to go into. And, blood everywhere. They ain't finished cleaning it when I got there. They had to clean it. But, and listening to these doctors, because I asked them straight up, I wanted to know, what's going on and what's been happening with this. And, people dying of all these cardiac arrests, and that's what's going to get you. It's the last thing. Heart disease and kidneys shutting down and all these problems that people just passing left and right. It's a big thing. And speaking to this one doctor, just explaining it, and like, it's a shame, because a lot of people would live just by taking the correct meds and changing their diet. You can live. But if you don't go to the hospital, if you don't do regular checkups to understand what's happening with your body, you're not going to know. Just take it from me. Trust me. Go get checked out. Go make sure you cool and make sure you don't got nothing coming with your kidneys or your heart or what have you. Go to the doctor. Go see a doctor. Go to somebody who knows about the body that can help you out and put you on a correct path or plan to heal your body 100%. Luckily, for me, I know what I know what to do, and I have good people in my life to help me out. But it's a lot. It's a lot. You have a lot of people dying out here because they can't afford the treatment. A lot of people can't afford health care. A lot of people can't afford a lot of stuff. And it's crazy, because the smallest things can really help a person out and save their life if they just had it or had the knowledge of it. And those small things just being, information about your family health history, having a good primary care physician, having people in your corner that's talking to you about what you put in your body. If you got an extra weight on, if you're feeling sluggish. Now more than ever, you got to be on top of it. You got to be on point with your health, because this shit is killing people. And, it's going to get a lot of people, because they're not going to understand what's happening, because for years we've been doing what we want. We're used to eating the foods we like to eat, and so on and so forth. We're used to that, and everybody got this notion that we can eat what we want, or the government can't sell this stuff, or they can't put this kind of food out if it's killing people. It's an accumulative effect. If you have high blood pressure, that's the main thing. That was the issue for me. So having high blood pressure and then a history of heart disease in your family, it's a bad combination. So if you have high blood pressure, you want to get that checked out. One, first, to make sure you don't need medication, and two, change your diet and limit your sodium intake, because it can lead to congestive heart failure. You can have a lot of issues. So, I wanted to put this video out. I'll be back with more videos. It's getting dark, so I want to get this wrapped up before it gets, before you can't see me at all, black motherfucker. But, yeah, I appreciate all the love and support from everybody. I will be back, Merkabah Academy. The sale is going on. So if you guys really want to help me out, please take advantage of the sale. Buy a shirt, buy something that will really help out. I explained before my issues with the IRS. They got my accounts kind of sort of in limbo right now. So financially, that would be great. If you guys can support, buy a t-shirt, take advantage of the sale or what have you. I really appreciate it if you guys can do that. But please, overall message, take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Don't let these motherfuckers get you, because, we're addicted to certain foods. And it's the biggest trap, because we love food. Food is good. You like eating Popeyes. You like eating chicken, pizza, what you like. It's good shit. We shouldn't have to fucking be in fear for our life because we like something that we should be able to eat. It's a shame, but it's a trap. And you have to understand and take control over what you put in your body, because that's what it's going to lead to. And I'm just lucky that, it's on set and we caught it at the right time. I still have stuff I have to do with my diet and exercise and, everything. And to make sure that I'm around, for the next 20 years, because this is a deadly thing and you can die. So, yeah, I'm on point with it. And I just wanted to put this warning out to you guys to let you guys know if you having these issues, definitely, begin to take care of your health. Definitely go see a doctor and definitely do something about it. So, yeah. Thank you guys for the love and support. And I really appreciate the messages and everything. And I'll see you guys next video. I will be back. New videos coming from Merkabah Academy. New videos coming out. We're going to get into this more and into a bunch of other stuff. Of course, you see what's going on with Trump and everything like that, the presidency. It's a lot of stuff coming up. Solar, lunar activity, a lot of astrology stuff, a lot of stuff to get into because, yeah, you'll see. It's a lot coming up for this year. But we'll get into it. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch. See you next video.